Hello, my name is Michael and I'm going to talk to you about the progress bar. Now, the progress bar, its main purpose is to advise students about their progress in a course. It's intended to help them with short-term time management, and studies of the use of the progress bar have shown that students find it an obvious sign of their progress, that it does help them with time management, and that it compels them to complete a course and to make the progress bar all green. Now, each student sees their own version of the progress bar depending on the activities that they've completed. There are three colours used in the progress bar: green, blue and red, where green means that something has been completed, blue means that something's incomplete but still in the future, and red means that something's incomplete and now overdue. You'll notice that above the progress bar there is a now indicator which shows the point in the course that the student should be up to time-wise. If you mouse over the sections of the progress bar, it shows you which activities and resources are related to each section, and the student can jump into that activity by clicking on that section or on the link below. Something that students don't see, that a teacher sees, is this button for an overview of students. And if we click that, it takes us to a page where we can see the progress bars of each of the students in the course, and here we can see that there is varied activity going on with students in the course, and we might want to get on to some of these students and encourage them along. Now, if you were wanting to set up a progress bar, the first thing you need to do is set up the activities in your course. So the activities need to exist before you can associate them with the sections of the progress bar. It is possible to add more activities later on if you wish. To add the progress bar, turn editing on. Scroll down until you find the add a block, and then add a progress bar. It'll appear just below the settings here. You can drag it into the position that you want. As you can see, you can have more than one progress bar within a course, so if you wanted to have one for, say, assignments and another one for quizzes, you could do that. Now, when a progress bar is first created, it's not associated with any activities or resources. You can choose to select which ones it is associated with, or you can say, I want to just turn on all the activities in my course. So if you've got a course set up with activities all ready to go, you can do that and then modify them manually there. I'm just going to select them manually first from the configuration. When you go into the configuration, either by clicking on that button or the normal configuration icon, you get to see this configuration page. At the top there are a few configuration options that you can play with if you wish, and below that you have a list of the activities that are present in the course, so activities and resources. So you can choose from this list which ones you want to have associated with the progress bar or appear in the progress bar. So if I select yes, this particular assignment will be, the progress of this will be indicated in the course. It already has its own deadline, so I don't need to do anything else. I can set an alternate date if I want to. You'll also notice that there are a couple of options for each type of activity to indicate when it is complete, and there's a few things that you can play with there. So you do this for all of the various things that you want to appear in the progress bar. Some things that don't have a normal date associated with them, you'll need to set one. So you want the student to do this, to view this resource by a particular time. It tries to guess, if you're using the weekly format, it tries to guess a particular date, otherwise it tries to make a best guess anyway. And this is all the list of various things in the course, and you can add as many as you want, and at the end you press save and your progress bar will be set up. So now we have a progress bar with those activities in it, and students will see that progress bar there. Okay, I hope you enjoy using the progress bar. I hope it benefits your students. If you find any problems with it, please get in touch. If you find it very useful to you, please comment on the entry in the plugins repository.